So finally, when grandfather returned with Toto, Toto was finally accepted in the house, and Toto got a comfortable place in the stable. Stable, you understand? It's a place where horse or donkeys are kept. Horses and donkeys are kept. There, Toto got a friend that was Nana, and that was a female donkey as a companion. Right? Toto continued teasing her. They could never become friends. Though Toto got a companion, but because of his teasing habit, they didn't become good friends. In winter, grandfather gave Toto a large bowl of warm water. It was for him to bath in, but Toto would sit inside the bowl. Then he would apply soap on his body and rub all over. When the water became cold, he would come out of it. Then he would run to the kitchen fire. There he would warm himself. If anyone laughed at him, he would refuse to bath. So this way he used to bath. So one day what happened? Once Toto nearly boiled himself alive. How? There was a large kitchen kettle left on the fire, and it was to boil for tea. Toto decided to remove the lid. He found the water warm to bath. So what Toto did? He just got into the kettle and the water began to boil because it was on the fire. Right? Toto raised himself a little, but he sat down again. He could jumping up. He continued jumping up. So, as he was doing this, suddenly grandmother came in and she took him out of the kettle. Right? Toto को पता ही नहीं चल रहा था, नीचे से आग लगी हुई थी, and he was still sitting in that kettle to have a bath. Fortunately, luckily, grandmother came in and she saved him. Toto always made mischiefs, right? He tore things into pieces like he used to do earlier as well. He tore up dresses. One day what happened? Toto was eating rice by sitting on the dining table. So grandmother screamed at her. And in return, what he did? He threw a plate at her. And when grandfather came, Toto ran out with the dish of pulao in his hand. And with that, Toto threw a glass of water on the grandmother's face as well. He ran up to the branches of the jackfruit tree. He threw the dish at the grandmother when she screamed at him. So you can see the mischievous activities were kept going on, right? Toto was not stopping. He was continuing his mischievous activities. So what happened? Finally, when he did all these activities, when he threw water at grandmother's face, he threw dishes at her. Finally, grandfather decided to send Toto back to the original owner. So Toto was sold back to his original owner because Toto caused much loss to the family. Like dishes were broken, clothes, curtains, wallpapers were torn, and the family couldn't bear this. एक दिन की बात हो, है ना, तो कोई भी सहन कर लेता, बट टोटो की जो ये एक्टिविटीज थी, he was kept doing on. The family couldn't bear this loss, so grandfather sold Toto back to the tanga driver for only 3 rupees. For how many rupees he purchased? For 5 rupees he purchased and he sold back for 3 rupees. So these were all adventures of the Toto. And this story was written by writer Ruskin Bond. Thank you.